Hey everybody, welcome back to Going Ballistic, and I want to welcome all the new subscribers. We just recently got like 4,000 subscribers in the month of March alone. Thanks guys for coming aboard, and here's what we got for you all today. This is the engine block we shot in this video right here while it was running. It was a cool video, 2 Ralphus rounds shot at this thing while it was running about 4,000 RPM. Well, we had a lot of people, to include Justin, was wondering how many rounds it would take to go through this engine long ways. Well, we can't run it again because it's destroyed. However, we got 6 armor-piercing tracer rounds. And we're going to see how many rounds it takes to blow through all these cylinders. The pistons are out of it, but that's all right. I'm thinking it's going to take 2 rounds. What do you guys think it's going to take? Well, let's get to this and see what she does.
You guys like my comb over? Anyway, armor piercing incendiary tracers versus 6 cylinders. Let's see what happens. Sending! It went a hair low.
Alright, that was pretty cool. Let's check out how many cylinders this thing went through, Nate. Looks like 1, 2... So it looks like it blew out the top here. We heard a ricochet. It did make a little dent inside the 3rd cylinder here, but it did not. I was thinking 3 cylinders, so I was close. Alright, let's get set up for that next round. Hang tight, here we go.
What? Round number 2. Armor piercing incendiary tracer. Well, that's going to be all of them. Through the engine block. As soon as Chris gets out of the way, Mr. Leahy. Sending it!
Clear. All right, let's check this out. I know it went through 1, 2, into this 3rd cylinder here. Let's come around the back side. Yeah, you can see where it did make it through the 2nd cylinder to the back side of it. So it did come through here and then went off up into the top. Alright, that's 2 rounds, 3 cylinders. Let's shoot round number 3.
Alright, keep your head down.
Alright, let's check this out. This hole's getting bigger on the front one here. It went through the 2nd one again. Blew most of the cylinder out here on the 2nd one. Came through the 3rd right there. And made a bigger hole in the 3rd one. The 4th cylinder is still good. 5th and 6th. Nothing yet. Alright, still only 3 cylinders. 3 rounds. We got 3 more to go. Let's see if we can get all the way through this engine. Hang tight. Here we go.
What are you, silly? Of course I'm going to send it.
Alright, that was shot number 4, and we made it into the 4th cylinder. Come check this out, Nate. We actually, you can see, hello, went through the 3rd, into the 4th cylinder, whoop, and actually did blow a nice big hole into the 4th cylinder, but barely hit. I don't know if you can see it there at the bottom of the 5th one, so it did actually crack the 5th cylinder, but it didn't go through. All right, that was 4 rounds, 4 cylinders, 2 more rounds to go. Let's get set up.
Talk about deep penetration. Clear!
Clear. All right, let's check this out, Nate. We made it through 5 cylinders, people. And check this out here. We found the penetrator. How cool is that? All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's the exit there. There's the 5th cylinder where it kind of ripped up in there towards the top. And it just put that ding right there. Nothing in the 6th cylinder. Okay, we got one more round and one more cylinder. Can we make it through? Here we go.
That one went a little higher.
Clear! All right, that was 6 rounds and we only made it through 5 cylinders. So Justin got a couple more rounds. We got 2 more armor piercing incendiary rounds and 1 armor piercing round, and that's all we got left. So let's go do this.
All right, so second batch, we're going to do a black tip first. Let's see if we can get all the way through this block.
Clear! All right, so that was the black tip armor piercing. It actually did make it into the 6th cylinder. Let's check this out. So there's the damage on the 5th cylinder here. It just blew out the cylinder wall back there and went through way at the back of the cylinder on the 6th. Nothing on the back of the engine. We got 2 more rounds. Here we go. Clear. All right, we got 1 more round left. Still haven't made it all the way through the 6th cylinder. We're gonna try it one more time. Here we go. Clear. Well, that was 9 rounds and 5 cylinders still. We never made it through the motor, but hey, I think we get an A for effort, that's for sure. Justin did some good shooting. It still tumbled. If you look right here, we found where it actually, you could see the projectile stuck in the motor right there. We couldn't get it out, but it is what it is. Hello. All right, thanks again everybody for watching. Hit that subscribe button, give us some likes there if you liked the video. We got a lot more videos set up for you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll be back.